Black holes are the most extreme objects in the universe. They're not holes. They're not black. And they're definitely not what you think. They can destroy stars, power entire galaxies, and even slow down time itself. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about black holes. How they form, what happens inside, and why they're not cosmic vacuum cleaners. Let's dive into the most misunderstood objects in existence. Black holes start with stars, but not just any star, only the massive ones. At least 20 times bigger than our sun. A massive star spends millions of years burning fuel, fusing hydrogen into helium, then carbon. This creates outward pressure that fights against gravity, trying to crush the star inward. It's a tug-of-war that lasts for millions of years. But eventually, the star runs out of fuel. No more pressure. And gravity wins. The core collapses in on itself. In less than a second, something the size of Earth gets crushed into a sphere just 20 kilometers wide. Then, boom! The outer layers rebound and explode in a supernova, one of the brightest events in the universe. But the core keeps collapsing. It gets smaller, denser, more compact. And if it's massive enough, it collapses into a single point, a singularity. A black hole is born. Let's break down the anatomy of a black hole. First, the singularity, a point of infinite density where mass is crushed into zero volume. The laws of physics break down here. General relativity says one thing, quantum mechanics says another. It's a huge unsolved problem. Second, the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Cross this line, and not even light can escape. For a supermassive black hole, the event horizon can be bigger than our entire solar system. Imagine that scale. Third, the accretion disk. This swirling disk of superheated gas and dust orbits the black hole, making it visible. The accretion disk can glow brighter than entire galaxies. These are called quasars, the brightest objects in the universe. Okay, let's bust some myths. Myth 1. Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners. False. Black holes don't suck. If you replaced the sun with a black hole of the same mass, Earth wouldn't get sucked in. We'd orbit just the same. Myth 2. Black holes last forever. Also false. Stephen Hawking predicted they emit tiny amounts of radiation and slowly evaporate. Myth 3. You'd survive falling into one. Remember spaghettification? The gravity at your feet would be stronger than at your head. From the outside, you'd seem to freeze at the event horizon, getting redder and dimmer, never actually crossing. Time dilation is wild. Every galaxy, including our Milky Way, has a supermassive black hole at its center. These giants shape how the universe evolves. Black holes aren't just destructive monsters, they're architects of the cosmos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.